Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of health and beauty products to find the best solutions for you. Today, we're featuring a product that many are raving about, the CorneaCare Rise Eyelid Wipes, touted as the best dry eyelid cream. If you struggle with dry, irritated, or sensitive eyelids, this might just be the answer you've been looking for. These eyelid wipes are specially designed with a unique blend of ingredients aimed at providing soothing relief to those pesky dry eyes. Each pack contains 30 convenient wipes, making them perfect for home use or for taking on the go. So whether you're at work, traveling, or simply relaxing at home, you can easily incorporate these wipes into your routine. What sets CorneaCare Rise apart is its combination of 3 key ingredients: purified water, tea tree oil, and hyaluronic acid. Purified water serves as the base, cleaning and hydrating your eyelids without any irritating additives. Next, we have tea tree oil, known for its exfoliating properties, which helps rejuvenate the skin while combating dryness. Finally, hyaluronic acid is renowned for its moisture-retaining capabilities, ensuring that your eyelids stay hydrated and smooth. Using the eyelid wipes is a breeze. Start by washing your hands, then remove a wipe from the packet. Close your eyes and gently clean your eyelids and lashes in a downward sweeping motion. You can fold the wipe to get multiple uses out of it on each side. Just repeat the process a few times on each eyelid and dispose of the wipe afterward. For those who want an extra refresh, a quick rinse with water or your usual cleanser is recommended. CorneaCare's Rise Eyelid Wipes are designed to alleviate various symptoms associated with dry eyes, such as redness, irritation, and discomfort. They help in reducing crusting and flaking, and they can even soothe light sensitivity. Plus, the added skincare benefits mean that with each use, you're not just cleansing, but also rejuvenating the skin around your eyes. It's worth noting that these wipes are backed by doctors, which adds to their credibility. CorneaCare focuses on quality and efficacy, ensuring that their products are informed by scientific research and patient experience. In summary, the CorneaCare Rise Eyelid Wipes combine convenience, effectiveness, and soothing relief in one easy-to-use product. If you suffer from dry eyelids or simply want to maintain eye health, these wipes are definitely worth trying. You can find them on Amazon, and they are FSA and HSA eligible, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to invest in their eye care. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, take care and keep those eyes healthy.